it's such a blessing to have her sa open forum and to be part of your podcast naman, Ate Mika. I can't express.
Wow, thank you. Grabe yung alignment, 'di ba? So, kung sino man
Mm.
yung naka-manifest ng resource na 'to, ang galing niyo.
Yeah.
Okay. Ang
Yeah,
galing
for
niyo.
sure.
You're being used as instruments right now to give you resources that you need.
Mm.
Grabe. So grateful. Welcome to Mindset Magic with Mika, where we unlock clarity, courage, confidence, creativity, and connection so you can show up as your most expressed, most aligned, most unstoppable self. If you are ready to shift into your main character energy and design a life that feels as good as it looks, you're in the right place. I'm Mika Doria, your interior designer, your mindset magic muse, branding goddess. Let's dive in. Since we're already in the timeline na, wow, passers na sila, na-take na nila yung exam. For
Mm.
you ba, how did you stay grounded during the waiting game?
Waiting game, nadaplasan ko siya kanina, but the advice was to distract yourself and to just think of anything else other than the board exam. Kasi for us, it's a very long waiting game. It was like 20 working days. So, ako nun, it was reconnecting with first my family kasi sila yung unang sa kanila ako napalayo the most because they were all nasa Cavite. Ako nasa Metro Manila ako para malapit ako sa review center ko. And it was reconnecting with them. So, my family are the people who matter most to me. So, that was one. And then, falling into hobbies. So, ayun nga, that time it was running. So, hello sa mga nagsa-Strava. So,
Ano yun, Kay?
Strava is yung app where you track if you nagwo-workout ka or you run. So, yung path mo.
Ah,
So, di ba si runner girl?
yun pala yun.
Yeah. So, every day, at the time, kasi tumatakbo talaga ako. And I was thankful na I also had like childhood, like my childhood friends na to reconnect with. So, it was really all about spending time on the people and the things I wasn't able to spend on, like during the review period. Tapos, very madalas din ako nun mag-pray and mag-manifest. Because there's nothing na na magagawa but to pray. And I feel like during that time, I was doing everything to cope and to not think about it. But I still end up doing like nagpapapol pa ako nun. When yung sa tingin lalabas yung results, like
Talaga.
study, ganyan, ganyan. Kasi what
Wow.
if like dumating ng mas maaga? But alam mo yun, it's all about
Mm.
finding your best distraction. And may times naman na my dad would and my parents would be like, bakit hindi ka nag-work pa? Or ako. Tapos, yun nga, doon nga yung nabanggit ko na before na there's
Yeah.
that fear na what if I don't pass? So,
Mm.
that was put on hold for me. And for those na in the waiting game na, when you are in the waiting game na, you can't deny that na there will always be an aside during the waiting game na you'd be afraid. So, sit with that, feel it, and then move. Tumakbo ka or pick up a book or start a passion project na you never had time for before. Just move kasi you will feel worse if you don't. So, yun. There will be days na you won't be able to move, and that's fine. But at one point, you will have to pick yourself up. Kasi in the end, no matter how good our support systems are, your number one supporter will be yourself then. So you would have to help yourself.
Oh.
So take this time na mag-care for yourself naman. Kasi for sure, if you're at the waiting game na and tapos ka na mag-boards at this moment, for sure, pinatay mo rin sarili mo during the review and the prep. So take this time to reward yourself na no matter what the results are, you did your best, reward yourself, and distract yourself. But mostly, reward yourself kasi you did the work na. So don't let yourself fall into despair of the waiting game. Kasi wala kang iba talagang magagawa kundi mag-wait. So just move. Yan.
Super
That's what I
true.
did.
Don't pause your life.
Yun ulit. We go back to that talaga. Zoom out. Di ba?
Yeah, just because you're waiting, hindi ibig sabihin no, nag-stop na yung iba mong stuff
Mm.
in life, di ba? Pick it up. That's really, really good. Kasi parang that made it easier for you to integrate na, oh, after ng results, nandito na yung life ko, so I'll just insert that. Di ba? Yung moment of passing
Actually.
there.
Oo.
And then life continues. Wow!
Actually.
Mm. Na-excite ako dun, parang, feel ko tuloy
Mm.
magko-compile ako ng mga ano, ng mga post-exam takeaways from the interviews.
Yeah.
Para, 'di ba, while they're in the waiting game, oh, ito, dagdag boost for you, dagdag boost.
Oo.
Oh, I love that. Wow. Gusto ko yung on the go na isip, eh. Tapos sinabi pa dito. Oh my
True.
gosh. So, i-shift natin sila sa, oh, ayan na, tapos na yung exam. Nag-aantay na ng results, 'di ba?
Oo.
Yung iba kinakabahan pa talaga habang nagwe-wait. So, ikaw ba na paano mo ni-navigate yung season na yun, yung naghihintay na ng results?
Kain. Hindi. Kasi ang tagal ng result natin, 'di ba?
20 ba? 20
I'm
plus
not sure kung
days?
tayo ba may pinakamatagal na gap from exam to
Mm.
result, pero feel ko tayo.
Pero parang, oo nga.
Oo, ID. Kasi sa pinsan ko, nag-take silang boards.
3 days
Tapos
lang
nung
rin.
madaling araw,
Ha?
nung third day, wala pang 12:00, 11 pa nga, 11:20 PM. May result na.
Grabe.
Pero tayo ang tagal. So ang lala ng waiting game, 'di ba?
Oo.
Ako, what I did nung mga time na yon, well, na-continue ako sa work. Tapos
Hmm.
kinikwento ko siyempre sa mga boss ko na ganito yung mga tinanong, yung field ko, ganito, ganyan. May mali ako sa ganito, may mga bagong ganito, ganyan.
Mm.
Tapos, ayun, siyempre nakaka-help pag sinishare mo sa iba yung naging journey mo. Ganyan. Or yung mga
Mm.
anxieties mo, nakaka-help, ganyan.
Hmm.
Na parang, ano lang, share mo lang sa kanila, not necessarily din humihingi ka ng advice. Gusto mo lang i-share. Gusto mo lang, ano,
Pampagaan.
gusto mo lang ng someone na kasi syempre pag kwento mo yan sa iba na hindi naman parang design
Gets
or hindi
mo.
kakilala, parang isipin nila, ha? Ano 'to kinukuwento nito? Pero nakaka-help yun. Sa mga pinsan ko kinuwento ko na ganito, ganyan, feel ko. Tas sa mga ate ko kinuwento ko, sa mga
Mm.
boss ko. Yung mga alam nila na nagre-review ako ng matagal na I really want it, ganyan. And
Oh,
they're
ang
hoping
ganda.
for me na kapag lumabas yung results kasama ako dun sa ano, sa passers, ganyan.
Hala, ang galing na naka-help rin siguro yun na
Oo.
everyone.
Actually hindi, kasi yung iba parang 'di ba ano, paulit-ulit magre-refresh ng PRC board
Oo,
or
like
mga
binabalikan
ano.
talaga, may
Ako
schedule.
hindi ko talaga siya sine-search.
Di mo
Hindi.
inantay talaga
Hindi
ng
ko
gano'n?
hinantay. Pero ano, sabi ko kasi kapag lumabas yan may magcha-chat niyan sa GC.
Ang
'Di ba may
galing!
support system tayo nung sa ano, meron tayong GC 'di ba ng
Oo.
mga takers nung that time.
Mm.
Sabi ko merong magcha-chat niyan. Ang ganda rin kasi supportive yung batch natin, 'di ba? Ang ganda ng
Totoo,
close-knit
sobra.
natin that time, tayong mga UP takers.
Mm. Ang
So
galing kaya
so
ng batch namin.
oo. So, alam natin na kapag may
Galing
lumabas na
nila.
ano niyan, may
Mm.
magcha-chat, ta's dun ko lang titignan. Pero hindi ako yung ano, magtitingin every night, yung kunyari patulog ka na sasabihin mo, "Hala, baka lalabas mamayang madaling araw, tulog ako." Ganyan.
Ah,
Hindi,
mm.
parang iniisip ko, kung lalabas, eh di
Lalabas?
sure ako gigising ako ng nanay ko, ng ate ko,
Oo nga,
ganyan. So, sabi ko,
totoo.
okey, hayaan ko na lang yung ano, kaysa ma-consume ka, 20 days din yun, na parang mako-consume ka kung ano. O kapag
Na-overthinking ka.
nagko-consume ka, oo, dun sa ano, sa result, 20 days din yung masasayang, that's valuable time pa rin. Puwede ka sanang mag-work or mag-relax,
True.
gano'n. Eh, di palagi
Naalala
naman
ko,
ako kasi ang dami kong dinecline nung review season na parang mga gala. Eh, di nakasama
pinuntahan
lang
mo?
sa gala after.
Reward
Oo.
agad.
Ano yung sabihin mo?
Naalala ko lang kasi nung sabi mo na may gigising naman sa'kin, may magsasabi naman, may makakita naman. Parang nung sa'kin rin, nung lumabas yung results, tapos ikaw yung ano, pinakaunang nag-text sa'kin. Sabi ko, andito na nga.
Anong time lumabas yung result ninyo?
Siguro mga 6 o'clock, mga gano'n. Tapos
Oo.
sumidlip pa ako dun, 'di ba? Tas nag-text ka. Tas ginising
Oo.
na lang rin ako ng kapatid ko na, "Hala, pasado ka."
Trinay ko pang hanapin yung ano, yung Facebook ni mama mo sa kanila.
Oo, nag-post.
Sabi ko mag-chat ba ako sa kanila? Uy,
Kasi hindi pa pala gising 'no?
oo, hindi ka pa
Nakakaloka.
nagre-reply. Nakita ko nakaano kayo parang active blank minutes ago, ganyan.
Sobrang taga baka katutulog ko lang nga 'no? Ano ba
Oo.
'yan?
Sabi ko baka naliligo 'to, baka nagdi-dinner or what.
Oo nga. So, see guys, 'di niyo kailangan i-refresh yung PRC kasi
Meron at merong mag-a-update sa inyo,
oo, meron at
promise.
meron. So, save yourself the anxiety, the worry.
Oo,
Ganda nun, After niyan wala nang magvi-visit ng page ng ano 'no?
ng PRC board.
Hindi
Minsan
na
pa
nila alam.
minsan pa well, ako naka-like ako sa PRC board, pero okey nag-scroll
Mm,
ako ng Facebook, makikita ko may pinost silang result, pero hindi
oo.
ID.
Oo.
Sabi ko, okey, ganyan. Wala pa naman nagka-chat, eh, ganyan.
Oo, hangga't walang nagcha-chat.
Yung magka-chat niyan mga prof niyo, may ka-chat yan bigla 'pag may lumabas.
Kasi sila yung nagre-refresh.
Oo, may akala niyo kayo lang naghihintay, hindi, yung mga hindi pa nag-take, yung mga grabe maghintay, to be fair.
Talaga? Mga ano
Oo, yun yung
rin.
mga prof, pa-family mo, parents mo, akala mo wala silang paki, hindi, nagse-search din yan.
Oo, may pake yan siyempre naman. Support system. Ang ganda nun. Okey, at least magla-lighten up na kayo diyan. Tas jump tayo Jam, sa idea na, wow,
Okay.
waiting na sila sa results tapos na yung exam.
Mm.
So, ano yung ma-a-advice mo sa mga nag-aantay na ng results pagdating sa waiting game, 'di ba? How were you during that time?
The waiting game, it came by in a flash to me. I didn't really
Hmm,
dread yung waiting
wow.
game. Kasi
Mm,
parang nung time na yon, syempre ano, as an overthinker, yung ginawa ko ay meron akong notes and then
mm.
sa phone, and then kinompute ko na yung ano, yung score ko.
Score mo? I love
Oo.
it! Grabe, grabe
Kinompute
ka.
ko na just to see if
Mm.
magpa-pass ako. Parang ito yung meron akong dalawang computation. So, isang
Wow!
just for the pass and then isang conservative and isang parang feeling kong I can still reach this ano. Ito yung
Hmm,
other extreme end.
yeah.
So, meron akong nung
Wow.
nakita ko naman na parang merong part na papasa ako, o di sure, eh di nice, ganyan. Tapos after that, nung nabigyan ako ng, parang assurance, o sarili pala yung nag-a-assure. Oo, parang
Hmm,
I didn't really think of it too much kasi ayun nga, parang sinabi ko nga before na I did my best. I gave it my best shot. And, siguro nung time na nagwe-wait ako, yung mindset ko lang ay pumasa ako, nag-top ako. And the thing that solidified that one is yung pagpunta ko lagi sa church and
mm.
every time na magbibigay ako ng tithes, lagi ko sinasabi na, "Lord, bigay mo 'to sa'kin, magto-top ako." So,
Oh, kaya
ayun. So, the waiting game for me was more of a parang exciting part na naghihintay lang ako ng parang
ng
vision,
rank.
oo. Ay, grabe!
Ng
Naghihintay ako ng ano,
rating.
vision from God. I mean, sure ako
Oo.
na papasa ako, pero hindi ko
Yeah.
sure na kung magto-top ako. So, siguro yung parang pinaka-intense part of the waiting game was yung few moments just before the results were out. So, lahat kami nasa
Hmm.
office nun, ganyan. And magkakasama kami. Everyone was already celebrating. It was a victory party. Before the
Wow,
results were
grabe.
already out. As in, binamanifest na namin na papasa kami lahat. We will see our names on the screen. And syempre, yung una namang nilalabas doon is yung top 10, di ba?
Mm.
So, no time na yon we had drinks. Para in case liquid courage. Ganyan.
Mm.
And ano. Tapos, if parang yung nare-remember ko noon ay nasa office, nasa pantry kami lahat. We were just chanting, cheering, ganyan. Biglang tumayo yung, yung kapatid ni Miss Rain. So, Miss Rain is top 4. And then, sumigaw siya.
Mm.
Sabi niya,
Oh
Miss
my
Rain,
God.
top 4 ka! Ganon. And that was the time
Grabe.
na parang, um, lahat kami lumabas. Naka-projector siya.
Oh my
And then, parang,
God.
hinahanap ko lang yung name ko. Asan yung Alba? I just wanna see Alba. Tapos parang, ayun, thankfully, God gave me that spot
Grabe.
na, um, I called my family and they were not surprised. They were happy, of course, and
Wow.
excited. Pero, they were telling me na parang, the moment na you asked it, that spot was already yours. So,
Grabe.
ayun. Parang grabe
Goosebumps.
yung affirmation ko nun,
Mm.
nung time na yun. And I would say parang lahat ng pagka wala yung negativity sa'yo, hindi mo siya maa-attract. So, lahat ng positive energy, ayan, in-attract ko silang lahat. And thankfully naman, nag-ano siya, nag-bear fruit siya.
Mm.
So, ayun, ako more than the passing and the topping ako ng individual, mas kinabahan pa ako and mas nilook forward ko yung time na lahat from UP would pass and
Oo,
then
diyan.
parang uh, all of our teammates will pass. Kasi grabe, mas masarap yung win kapag may kasama kang
Hmm,
nagse-celebrate.
totoo.
So, ayun, it was a nice. I remember during the start of our review season, may binisita kami parang cafe. And
Hmm.
meron siyang whiteboard wall doon. Tapos, kami, nagsulat lang kami, parang Idol top 1. Lahat kami, Idol top 1, ganyan. May mga code names mo kami, ganyan.
Ang
So now that,
galing.
now that I think about it, parang may mga delulo na top ng top, ganyan. Well, eventually
Pero,
naman, it delivered. So, guys,
yeah.
manifest nyo yan. Oo. I won't
Ang
be able to
galing.
accomplish this on my own naman. So, having the right people around, the mindset, yung manifestation, it's one thing kasi it's in your mind. But if yung hindi siya nasusundan ng action,
Yes,
then
true.
it's useless. So, ayun.
Mm,
Wag lang tayo purely manifestation. It's also work. Yun.
totoo. And
Yeah.
I'd like to echo that kasi that's so true. Like, manifestation isn't just mental. You really have to do actions kasi we live in a 3D world. We live in a 3D
Yeah.
world. Ayun.
Oo. Ayun siya
Grabe
for
yung nag-translate lahat. I'm so grabe. Like,
yeah.
hearing your story makes me really appreciate so much more yung journey na you went through, Jam. And
Oh,
it's such a
thank
blessing to hear this.
you.
Grabe, sobra. Oh my.
Ayun. Ako, I wanted to share it kasi parang, ano siya it's a unique experience for me. I, for one, am a person who's very negative, a pessimist at that. Every time I
Mm.
think of something, every time I take an action, parang what's the worst case scenario? Ganun ako. Ako si worst case
Mm.
scenario.
Or
So,
ganun ka before?
bef-
Hmm.
before.
Ah,
So,
I love
parang
it.
yung parang itong idol journey ko, parang hindi ako to. It was like, parang nag-evolve gano'n. So, it's parang more than the passing and the topping, yung na-learn ko sa sarili ko,
Hmm.
sa parang yung interpersonal aspect as well, how to interact with others, work with the team. Yun yung mga lessons na mas bina-value ko kasi ano siya parang naging instrument yung idol for me to experience those kinds of things. So, for you guys who are taking the idol, don't be so hard on yourself. And take it as a parang moment din na kilalanin yung sarili niyo. And then parang just to trust the process and ayun, kasi huwag tayong maging ano, GC masyado. Ayan. Kasi ano, basta yeah, it's the memories talaga na siguro 10 years from now, yung mga memories na yun yung
Yeah.
mabe-bring mo with you. And happy siya kapag ka naaalala mo, you look back to it. Ganyan.
Oo, the journey, the stories,
Yeah.
ipon ng kwento, 'no?
Oo, yung mga
Actually.
nakakatawang part, yung mga nag-sleepover kami sa office.
Pero lahat yun nag-contribute talaga sa momentum na
Yes.
eventually led you there. Ang galing. So,
Starting is the
wow.
hardest part talaga. So once you
Mm.
have the momentum, yun na yun, tuloy-tuloy na siya. Ride it.
Yeah.
Don't resist it.
Ride niya hanggang sa top notchers list. Talaga.
Tama.
Na, jump tayo sa waiting game. Kamusta
Ako.
ang waiting game sa'yo after the awards?
Well, syempre yun nga. As much as
Mm.
possible, hindi ko ine-entertain yung thoughts na hindi ako papasa and all.
Nice.
Pero syempre, syempre may doubts, syempre. Hindi mo naman matatanggal talaga yung
100%, oo.
yung konting possibility na what if hindi ako pumasa? Parang gano'n.
What if di nila magets yung ano ko? Gano'n, no?
What if hindi ko makuha yung
Mm.
gusto nila from the design? Pero parang most parts of it naman, kino-convince ko yung sarili ko na papasa ako, papasa ako, papasa ako, papasa ako. As in,
Yes.
matagal na gano'n. Tapos syempre, yung mga friends around you, anxious na rin sila sa results nila. Tapos minsan they don't want to talk about it na rin. So,
Hmm.
so kami, hindi naman na kami nag-uusap about the exam. Hindi naman kami nag-uusap about the
Yes.
results. We're just waiting for it to be released para,
Mm.
ayun. And then, ako, ayun lang. Parang wala naman ako ibang ginawa kundi mag-manifest lang.
Tsaka yung mga projects mo natuloy pa rin, gano'n
Oo,
ba?
balik. Well, di ako bumalik agad sa work. Pero may mga personal stuff akong ginagawa.
Mm.
So, doon man ako nag-focus para hindi ako anxious sa results.
Totoo yan.
Although nung days before the result, yung parang, di ba may tentative date? Tentative ba
Oo,
yun?
kung kailan. Mm.
Siyempre, parang puro check ka na agad nung sa site. What if,
Talaga?
anong maaga,
Hmm.
di ba? What if agahan pala nila yung release? Tapos puro check kami, ganyan. Pero ayun, ano na lang, tiwala na lang talaga. And slow, siguro part of me, kino-convince ko na rin yung sarili ko na kung hindi man napapasa, okay lang. Parang hindi ko na siya, parang kino-condition ko na rin yung mind ko na ano yung, kung ano man yung mangyari, okay lang. There's always a next time. There's always
Oh, ang ganda
a
nun.
chance
Mm.
to do it. Parang hindi naman yung end of the world if hindi man ako pumasa. Diba? So,
Totoo. Another year na lang ng review, gano'n.
another year.
Galing. Yun lang. Yun yung pinaka-ano mo, inaiwasan mo.
Parang yun na yung, I mean, kung may worry man ako na hindi ako pumasa, dahil mag-review na naman ako.
Oh,
Ayoko na.
yun
Pero,
yun, walang ibang meaning.
oo. Pero ang funny nga, parang isa sa premonition na feel ko last ko na yun. May
Oh.
premonition ako eh.
Ano?
Right after the exam, kasi literal na yung building ng exam, yung condo katabi nun, dun kami nagsistay.
Okay.
Tapos, last day, tapos design exam, ganyan. Pabalik na kami ng condo. Tapos, nung yung parang medicine box na ginawa kong toolbox, exactly, nung magpe-picture na kami before yung parang group picture na kami, parang, hey, tapos na yung exam. Nasira siya, as in, nasira siya. Like, nung binuhat ko siya, nasira siya. As in,
Oh my
is
gosh.
premonition. Parang gano'n. Parang,
Oo.
hindi ko na ito gagamitin ulit. Parang gano'n. Ayun
Oo
yung
nga.
option ko. Kasi yun nga.
Ayan na.
Parang
Okay.
dun, parang sabi ko, baka premonition to. Parang, sige, papasa ako. Parang ganun. No
Tinake
more
mo
next
na
time.
agad.
Oo.
Oo.
No
It
more
can mean
next
anything. Oo. Galing na na. Sabi ng ano ng toolbox, di mo na kailangan next year. Congrats na. Grabe. Wow.
That's a wrap for
Wow.
today's episode. I hope these insights gave you clarity, courage, confidence, and peace as you prepare for your own board exam journey. Until next time, trust yourself, take up space, and keep going. You got this. You are the main character of your life. If this episode sparked something in you, share it with a friend or tag me at Mikadoria on Instagram. I'd love to see how you're stepping into your magic. And if you're loving the podcast, please leave a review. It helps more visionaries, achievers, and creatives like you find this space. And as always, let's shift into our main character energy together. Keep shining, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.